Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at the HSL 40x-2500x compound binocular microscope. This professional microscope is perfect for adults and students alike, allowing you to conduct precise biological experiments with ease. Any of the standout features of this microscope is the Scientific binocular head with pairs of 10x widefield and 25x widefield eyepieces. With 6 widefield magnification settings ranging from 40x to 2500x, you'll have all the magnification options you need for your experiments. The microscope also comes with a double-layer mechanical stage, locks slide into place, and provides precise slide manipulation along the X and Y axis to allow coordinates to be recorded. Plus, it includes a 1.25 Na AB condenser installed under the stage for even more precise results. This microscope also features powerful single-bulb LED illumination with a dimmer, allowing you to adjust the brightness to suit your needs. And with a 2-year warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing that you're investing in a high-quality product. So, if you're looking for a professional-grade microscope that's perfect for biological experiments, look no further than the HSL 40x-2500x compound binocular microscope. You can find the link to purchase this great product in the description below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and recommendations.